If you have an avid gamer in your life, I have the perfect gift. This chair right here that I'm sitting on is the Respawn 110 Pro. And I'll tell you what, it's one of the best gaming chairs that I've ever sat on. As a matter of fact, after trying it out, I think it would make a great office chair as well. Oh, and by the way, this video is sponsored by Respawn. It's stylish, it's nice looking, it would fit in an office as well as a gamer's bedroom or gaming room just as easy. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the unboxing and the assembly of this chair, and then I'll show you the different features and the different types of things that it does. I'm also going to include a link down below in the description where you can purchase your very own Respawn 110 Pro for yourself or for somebody as a gift. So stick around. Let's go ahead and we're going to show you the unboxing now. Yeah, a brand new Respawn 110 gaming chair is right here inside this box. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox it, do the assembly, and then I'm going to sink my butt into it. We're going to test out to see just how comfortable this gaming chair is. So guys, I just wanted to point this out because you don't see this too often, if not at all. And that is nice, large, clear assembly instructions. Not only do they give the assembly instructions on one side, but they give usage info on the other side. So instead of having this small little black and white folded up insert with the assembly instructions in it, they give nice, clear instructions with pictures of everything. So this right here goes a long way in helping with the assembly. Definitely props for Respawn on this one. Alright, assembly was a breeze. With those clear instructions, I mean, it's really hard to go wrong. This is actually a really comfortable gaming chair. And just by putting it together, I can tell it's actually really well made. So let's go through some of the features of the chair. You can sit on it like this, fully reclined at 155 degrees, or even like this, fully reclined with the footrest out. So you got two levers underneath the chair. First you have your lift levers where you can adjust the height of the chair. And then you have your recline lever. You can recline, and then you get to the recline angle that you want, and then go ahead and lock it in place. So after doing the assembly and testing it out for myself, I can say with certainty that the Respawn 110 Pro chair is a really good choice for the gamer in your life. As a matter of fact, it's good as an office chair as well. The Respawn 110 Pro currently retails for $199.99. And if you're interested in buying one, you can get the link down below in the description of this video. And I definitely recommend, if you know somebody that needs a gaming chair or an office chair, definitely check this one out. So like I said, get the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something and you got to know a little bit more about the Respawn 110 Pro chair. Thanks for watching. I'm literally so comfortable right now, I don't even want to get up.